Hi, good morning friends. Today at Aryan Silks we are going to show you nice silk cotton sarees. Silk cotton sarees are a combination of cotton and silk, hand woven exclusively to suit our customers. Today we've come up with nice 4 to 5 Korvai silk cotton sarees. I'll show you one by one. Let me show you the first saree here. Can you see this saree here? The first one, bluish purple saree. What a gorgeous saree, right? See, this is the saree. Just look at the combination here. When I wear it, I myself feel like a queen. Look at this. This is a bluish purple saree. This has got motifs all over. Peacock motif, zari motifs, and this has got a nice border. See this? What a combination of colors. This is the Korvai border, the contrast border with this saree. This saree goes well with this pallu. Look at the pallu. Wow! Look at the pallu here. Very nice pallu. The same combination, the same border combination in the pallu. I love this saree. In case you too love this saree, just press the like button, or you want to buy the same saree, just leave a comment in the comment section. Finally, can you see the saree here? Yes, thank you. So, this is one saree I showed you. The next saree we are coming up with is this mustard yellow saree. Similar saree. See this? Some people like light colors. See this mustard yellow saree, and this also has got motifs all over, and this also has got a nice beautiful border. See this combination of colors. Love this saree too. And I'll show you the pallu now. See the pallu here? Can you see? Is it visible? Okay. This is a red jari pallu with the combination of mustard yellow. Such a nice traditional combination. Anybody would easily pick this saree. The next one we are coming up with this navy blue saree. This is a rare combination again. Can you see this? Navy blue saree. I'll wear it on myself and show you. See this? This also has got a Korvai border. This is Korvai tissue pattu border. Means this is silk border with silk cotton body. These are all hand woven sarees, and this is a checkered saree. It has got peacock motifs and coin buttas also. Silver and gold. Combination of silver and gold. I'll show you the pallu of this saree too. This has got a nice green pallu, parrot green. Yeah, I'm wearing it on myself again. Can you see this? Yes. Right? Navy blue and parrot green. A classic combination. Hope you like this saree too. As I told you earlier, if you like this saree, please comment in the comment section as navy blue saree. The next one coming up is a Rama green saree. See this? Traditional yet elegant. See, look at the combination here. The weaver has chosen nice good colors to impress us. Yes. Wow, what a combination. Bluish purple saree with Rama green polo. I'll show it again. Rama green saree with Korvai border, which is bluish purple, mango border, and the pallu. Pallu is awesome too. The same border continues as pallu, bluish purple saree. Nice combination. Godly combinations I can call. And for this saree, you can just comment as Rama green purple saree in the comment section. We've given all the details at the bottom to write to us if you like anything, or resellers can also contact us. For more details, you can write to us. You can call us on the number which is given at the bottom. Next saree we're coming up with is parrot green. See this parrot green saree. Wow, this suits me very well. And this is the border, magenta border with zari, the korvai border. Look at the combination. Look at the thought process thrown into this. My weaver has given me the best sarees this time. See this, I'll wear it on myself again. Wow. Oh, my mom is going to love me today. Wearing this saree. And the magenta pallu. Ladies, just own this saree. Don't miss this. Look at this. Gorgeous. Yes, to own this saree, just comment below as parrot green and magenta saree. Hope you all liked our collection today. We will be coming up with more silk cotton in our next episode. For today, we are signing up. Hope you all liked our collection. You will get back to us, write to us, comment in the comment section, like our video.